Good morning, students. Hello, students. Now, the today's topic is National Green Tribunal. Basically, National Green Tribunals is for the environmental related issues. In 2010, the government enacted the National Green Tribunal Act, which enabled the creation of a special green tribunal for handling the cases related to the environmental issues. In 2010, the government enacted the National Green Tribunal Act, which enabled the creation of a special green tribunal that would handle the cases concerning the environmental issues. After the enactment of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010, India became the third country in the world after New Zealand and Australia, which has special fast-track courts and quasi-judicial bodies that deal with environmental related cases. This act was established on 2nd of the June 2010. There are some objectives of this act. The objectives like effective and speedy disposal of cases. Second one is, this is for the environmental protection and conservation of forest and enforcement of legal rights. This is also for the giving relief and compensation for damages. There are certain definitions under this act. Environment, what is the meaning of environment? We have already discussed the meaning of environment in previous lectures. Environment includes water, air, land, and the relationship between them. Section 2, Clause 1, Clause C talks about the environment. Environment which exists among and between water, air and land, and human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms, and property. What is the meaning of accidents? Accident is defined section 2 clause 1 clause A. Accident means an accident involving a sudden or unintended occurrence while handling any hazardous substance or equipment or plant, vehicles, resulting in continuous or intermittent or repeated exposure to death or injury to any person or to any property or environment. Now comes to the composition. The composition of National Green Tribunal consists of chairperson. Second one is the 10 members, not more than 20 members, consist of full-time judicial officers. Third one is at least 10 members, not more than 20 members, consisting of experts as notified by the central government. The chairperson may anytime inviting anyone who has specialized knowledge and experience regarding environment issues filed before the tribunal for the purpose of assistance. Now comes to the qualification. Section 10A of this act discuss about the qualifications regarding the members of this tribunal. To become a chairperson is or has been or is qualified to be a judge of the Supreme Court, or has been Chief Justice of the High Court, or he has a period of not less than 3 years held office as a judicial member or expert member, or is a person of ability, integrity and standing, and having a special knowledge of professional experience not less than 25 years in law, including 5 years practical experience in the field of environment and forests. For the expert member, to become an expert member in the National Green Tribunal, having a degree, postgraduate degree, doctorate degree in science, or has an experience of 20 years in the relevant field. Also 5 years practical experience in the field of environment and forest. Now, what is the term of office? Section 10A of National Green Tribunal is talks about the terms of office. Chairperson tenure is 3 years or 70 years of age, whichever is earlier. Judicial members' tenure is 3 years or 67 years of age, either 3 years completed or the 67 years of age, whichever is earlier. Expert members' tenure is 3 years or 67 years of age, whichever is